Farewell Season 4 and welcome Season 5. That's right, it's been 4 years and we've got to our 100,000 subscribers. It's been 2 years since I've taken a break. Season 4 is coming to an end and it's time for my vacation. So what can you expect here from the show? Well, I'm not going anywhere. I unfortunately can't afford a holiday right now. I've got to focus on what we're doing here with Leah. So we are not going anywhere, but we are refurbishing the studio and getting ready and upgrading everything for Season 5. So what might you expect? It's the countdown. The last show will be next Friday. So it's the final week starting today. And I wanted to come live and explain to you exactly what you can expect from the team. And the team is expanding as well while I'm away. As I say, I'm still here in the studio. I'm refurbishing, rebuilding, and preparing a new season, new ideas, and a brand new show for Season 5. So this is our final week. The final show will be on Friday. So the countdown starts today. So what can you get from me? First of all, I want to thank all of you for helping to grow this channel to 100,000 subscribers. In fact, nearly 103,000 now. And finally, the balloons will come down. The 100,000 balloons will come down on Season 5 when we refurbish the studio. But what we're going to do is this. While I'm off air, as I say, I'm going to be here. I'm just going to be off air. I'm still going to be investing and trading, but rebuilding the studio. I'm going to be handing the show over to Sensei, Vaz, and hopefully Casey as well. Casey could be our first female broadcaster. I'm hoping to talk with Casey today. I know it's down to the wire. It may or may not happen, but certainly Vaz and Sensei will be taking over the show. So what I've tried to express in the thumbnail is the cat's away, the mice will play. It's an old nursery rhyme in the UK. You may have heard of it. So, yes, I won't be away. I'll be here, and I will be sleeping a bit more, but I will be doing refurbishing the studio. Sensei and Vaz will take over the shows, so they'll do a lot more to replace the time that I'm normally on air. But hopefully, if things go well, we can get Casey into the show as well, and there'll be a third broadcaster while I'm away. Vaz, Sensei, and Casey, our first female broadcaster, and she'll be focusing on. She'll be focusing on crypto for the ladies. So this could be a very nice thing. Hopefully we'll get it done. It might not quite happen in time, but we are hoping to get this done before I go away. All right. So what can you expect from me? Well, it's going to be slightly different now because this last week is going to be your week. So many of you ask for reviews, and we do have a list of reviews. Now, if you are a member, you can request a review. You can actually book a review, okay? And now these are the reviews that we have on the list. I'll start at the top. We have AMPY, TSS, PSTV, TDTH, Prop, VADRX, RUM, NUAI, Landbridge, Ooster, USAR, IQSTL, VWCE, VNOM, ARQQ, Dicot Pharma, QBTS, NVTS, Gorilla, CYBN, VZLA, Innovis Technologies, Centrus Energy, and Freya Battery. These are all our reviews that have been booked so far. They will all be done by the time I literally turn off the camera for the last time on Friday. So what I'm going to do is during this last 7 days is do all these reviews. Now, if you want a review done, I guarantee you can have it done. There are two ways. There are two things you have to do to get your review done. One, you have to be a member. And if you want a review done before I go, guaranteed 100%, it's $20 super chat. Because as you can see, there are a lot. So it's a $20 minimum super chat, and it will be done before I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off air in a moment, and I'm going to be coming back just doing review after review after review all the way through this week. That's it. All I'm going to be doing is reviews. So season 4 ends today. My vacation build-up starts today because I have all of these reviews to do. So I'm going to start today. All right. Someone is asking about a phone-in, and someone is asking about the magic number. Yes, last night I made a mistake. I gave you the first magic number, and the second and third I actually forgot to mention. I did actually then give it in Vaz's show, which followed, and I also posted it on X. But for those of you that did actually miss the second and third number, here is that number, and I do apologize for not giving you the second and third number. So here is the second and third number. All right, the second and third number. Hang on a minute. I'm looking at the wrong screen. No, I don't need to give that to you. No one's asking for that. I was looking on the previous stream. Forget I just said that. That's okay. I've already given it to everybody. Everybody has it. I was just double checking. I was reading on the previous screen, so ignore that. You all have the magic number. I gave it in Vaz's show, and I also put it on social media on my X for those that missed it. Right. Let's have a look. Ray D, closing when crypto season is here. Well, no, Vaz will be live, Sensei will be live, and Casey hopefully will be live, our first female broadcaster. So there'll be more broadcasters. I'm not actually leaving you short. I'm providing you more. I haven't taken a break for 2 years. I've been live 7 days. I've been in the studio 7 days a week, but on air 5 days a week for 4 years. I haven't had a break for 2 years. So I need to take a break. I need to rebuild the studio. So let me just read the comments and questions. Good morning. Hope everyone's well. Hi, everyone. Rhino Skin. Oi Deluxe. Happy Friday. Sensei sent me. Lovely. Good. Of course, it's our penultimate show tonight on the music show. The penultimate show and the final show next Friday. That's it. That's the very last show. Good morning, all. Hello. We made it. Happy Friday, Crypto Wave. Who is riding it? Good morning, everyone. Sensei did a great job this morning. He did. He always does. Good morning, Stephen Luziowski. Brian, good morning to you, future millionaires. Tracy Silver. Hello, one of our lady investors. 30% of you are ladies now. JJ 8 Ball, how you doing? Let's buckle up. It's been 4 years and XRP isn't going any up. Not sure what that means. It's gone up quite a lot, actually, since 38 cents. But anyway, there you go. Don't know why anyone would say that. It seems a bit silly. Anyway, big party tonight. Ladies' night. Yes, it is. I'll give you the link in a second. It's our penultimate show. Season 4 was the best so far. Let's go season 5. Rodney, where have you been? Just a year ago, it was 50 cents. I know. It's crazy, isn't it? People say the silliest things, and they don't even mind the world seeing how silly they really are. I've never understood why people do that, but they do. Happy season 5. Looking forward to the new studio look. You'll like The Rock, mate. You had a vacation. You'll like The Rock, mate. You had a vacation last October, not 2 years ago. No, I didn't. My last vacation was 2 years ago. Last October, I was still in the studio and I was doing the odd show. I wasn't completely off. The studio wasn't shut down. I was still here doing the odd show. So there, it wasn't completely off. So it's always the non-members who say silly things, isn't it? Nice one on Pfizer. Saw you styled it out. Nice one. Didn't go unnoticed. I took some profit, yes, and I bought Coca-Cola. Made $800 in about 10 minutes. What stocks are going to fly? Let me call in. You want to call in? It's a members only perk. We opened it up yesterday. Very rarely we do that, but it's a members only perk. If you want to call in, it's one of the perks of being a member to call in. All right, Himfo. Good play for the day trader. Go. Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. We'll sing that tonight. Good afternoon, all. Super KC. Yes, we are very excited to get KC on the show. Terry Jacks. Hello there, says Himfo. Hello. I guess no more live shows for me until season 5. No, we've got live shows. Vaz, Sensei, and Casey hopefully will be doing shows. Vaz and Sensei will be live all the time. So there'll be more shows. You won't miss anything. Where is Stacey, by the way? I have no idea. She decided not to watch the show anymore. She said it wasn't for her anymore. So there you go. When is it starting? When is what starting? Season 5, when I get back, when I've finished when I get back from the vacation, so when I turn the studio on again, which will be middle of November. It'll take me a long time to rebuild the studio. Casey Crypto, nice. Yes, it's going to be great. Please, guys, when is the live starting? Well, I think we're talking to you now. Coca-Cola. Yes, have a quick look at Coca-Cola for you. There is my Coca-Cola. Yeah, up this morning slightly. Slightly below my average at the moment, but I can't buy any more. I've got no more money. Zach, we had joy. We had seasons in the sun. Ella Martin, it started, Michael. like it. Phone in. Yeah, we do phone-ins all the time, but it's rarely open to non-members. Yesterday was a special treat, but it's a members-only perk. Where please can I watch? It's right here. Michael, you're watching it right now. Patrick Black, Kwame, good morning, Martin. Closing when crypto season is here. No, the show will be open as normal. I just want to say hi. Himfo, lovely. I'd love you to say hi. Hey, if you tap the like button, you might win a membership right now. Brian Bynum has just gifted 5 memberships. If you were a subscriber and tapped like, you may have won a membership. Did you not tap the like button? We were just giving away memberships a few seconds ago on the show. Brian Bynum gave away 5 memberships. You could have won one then. I think you missed out. Maybe you hadn't tapped the like button. Anyway, there you go. You were just bought a membership. We had joy. We had fun. How many people have signed up? How many people have signed up? Signed up for what? How many people have signed up? I have no idea what that means. Don't give the first number. No, not doing that. You are spot on. Thank you very much, Hypno. Martin, I've yet to receive the number 9 100,000 signed poster. Can you look into that for me, please? Thanks, mate. Is Sensei in the chat, please? Sensei runs the shop. Yes, Sensei, are you here? Are you here? Could you respond to that member? That is Deluxed. He's called Deluxe here on YouTube. He said he hasn't received his 100,000 signed poster yet. That's Sensei. It's not a bloody poster. It's a signed picture in a frame. But anyway, Sensei keeps calling it a poster. So if Sensei isn't in the chat, please reach out to Sensei via Discord, or you can message him through, if you are a premium member, through the newsletter. But more often than not, you'll go through Discord, or of course, you can message him on X if you follow him on X. But Sensei will take care of that. Just speak to him in a live show or message him. I can't take care of the shop. That's Sensei's business. I'm so happy because I invest in... Oh, we got another 5 memberships. We've got another 5. If you've tapped the like button and subscribed, you can win a membership. Blaze has just won one. Zepp has won one. Phil Murphy, Christopher won one. Rusty Onro won one. You really got to tap the like button because we are just giving away memberships again. Incredible stuff. That was courtesy of 1970 Buckley. Martin, I've done that one. Here we go. Have a wonderful vacation. Well, I'm only here working in the studio. When will alt season start? Well, apparently it started now in October. Who's doing the singing Friday night, Vaz or Sensei? There will be no music show for 5 weeks. The last one, the penultimate one is tonight. The last one is next week. Glad to hear you're going offline only because of vacation and not something serious. I tuned in at the absolute wrong time. What do you mean you tuned in at the wrong time? I don't know what you mean by that. Good morning, Martin and all. Kimberly, good morning. Another new membership. We're giving memberships away for those that are subscribed and tapping the like button. Will Ethereum increase? I believe it will. Breaking Coca-Cola negative free cash flows for the first time this century. That's not true. Oh my God. Who just said that? Coca-Cola, negative free cash flows for the first time this century. Okay, it's not true at all. Coca-Cola is the best buy until proven otherwise. Going to miss you, Martyn. I'll miss you all as well. Yes, I will. The 1 week countdown starts now. I'll try info. Brian tried for you. He tried to buy you a membership. Unfortunately, you hadn't tapped the like button, so you missed out. Brian, Vanessa received a membership. Vanessa received a free membership from Brian. I didn't realise Vanessa wasn't a member anymore. Oh, well, it looks like Vanessa just got a free membership from Brian Bynum. I didn't know Vanessa wasn't a member. That's strange. Anyway, we don't need any more money for COS. All right. Received a gift membership. Toho received one. Craig got one. Jack got one. Good morning, all the art of read. Morning, and all Seth Houston. Morning, Bitcoin bingo. You think we will have a good altcoin season? Human beings. Hey. So will ticket numbers be on pause till you come back? No. The competition carries on. The giveaway carries on. Nothing changes because I'm not in the studio. Good morning, everyone. I never get a free membership, Patrick Black. I don't know why that is. You've got to subscribe and ring and tap the like button. Hopefully you've done all those things. I do pay attention anymore. Do people pay attention anymore? No. I just know your early heads up to Coke. I just know your early heads up to Coke was 100%. Yes, I think I know what you mean. 1970 Buckley is also giving memberships away. All right, Blaze won one, Zep won one, Phil Murphy won. Awesome stuff. God bless, said Himfo, thank you. Anointed Flowers, good morning, everyone. Greetings from Warwickshire. Love how to put them trolls in their place. Rusty just received a membership, and Christopher Hoodless received a gift membership as well. Christopher Hoodless, you just won a membership. Congratulations to you. Good morning from El Paso. Thanks for the membership. Yes, please do thank those that just bought you a membership. That's the least you could do, right? Let's go. Where's mine? Well, you have to like and subscribe and engage in the chat. All right, it picks people who engage. I subscribed and never won anything. Oh, well, I'm sorry about that. Maybe you didn't like, maybe you wasn't engaging in the chat. I don't know. Anyway, good morning, says Ryden. It's always a good time. Revved Up Biker. Alt season started in 22. The bottom of the market. Where have you been, says Revved Up Biker. How many people have signed up? How many people have signed up for the giveaway? Okay. We've now got 369. That's it. Out of 100,000 people, that's all the people that are in the giveaway. Let me refresh the screen. Very good chance to win. Only 370 now. 370. And the top users, that's the ones who have done the most things, that have got all the tickets. There are exactly 308. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 people have got all the tickets. James, Yolanda, Susan, and Thumpkin Chicken. Only 4. Very good chance of winning $2,000. Most people just can't be bothered. They're lazy. We talk about it often on the show. People are often lazy. Here is the link to the giveaway. XRP $2,000 giveaway live on the show. And as I say, most people just can't be bothered. There you go. Pin the message. There we go. Hi, said Siang. Martyn, have a wonderful vacation. Take care of your wife. We will be here when you get back. Thank you so much. It's the last week. So I'm coming live now to tell you that I'm going to be doing all the reviews for you. So in a minute, I'm going to end the show. And I'm going to come back with review after review after review. And if you want a review, that's all I'm doing this whole last week is to do all the members' reviews. Remember that it's the members that built this channel. So I want to thank the members. All the members who've requested a review are going to get a review. It'll take me all week. That's why the live shows for me end now. I'll be doing live shows, but they'll be the reviews. All right. So good morning all. Have a good recharge, mate. Thank you, Walker Wonders Why. Thank you, David Hensey, for sharing all the links. Do you think Coca-Cola will go up today? Well, I certainly hope so, but I don't mind. It can consolidate as much as it wants, because in 17 days' time, I'll be buying more if it's below my average. I'll just keep buying below my average. Good morning, everyone. Enjoy Sensei's show this week. Yes, Sensei's show this morning. Yes, it was great. Carnifex, another one of our ladies. How are you? Good morning. Love the channel from Kyle. Good morning, Jeannie. Ravel, good morning. I'm reading everyone's comments before I finish. It's going to start. This is our last interactive live show right now. It's all going to be members, all for members after this. Exxon is one of the best defensive stocks that pays dividends. When you said you have Coke and a smile, I did. Aha. Good morning, Martin. Hope you get lots of rest. Thank you so much indeed. XRP to the moon. Jesse Cerner, thank you. Coke, Rugtober, landing. Martin has been a right bigger crash is coming. Martin has been right. A bigger crash is coming. Yes, it is. 100%. I've got no doubt about it. It's why I've sold my crypto. It's why I've sold the S&P. I'm 100% in defensive Coca-Cola, and I'll be buying more if it goes down. I can understand why people aren't willing to give their data away and jump through hoops through Martin. Though, Martin, what do you mean? That's not true at all, Will. What do you mean? No one is giving me their data. No one is giving me their data at all, right? All you've got to do to be in the competition is sign into the competition. You don't give me your data. You've got to sign in. I mean, what can I say? You've got to, you can either use your email, you can either use Google, you can either use YouTube. I have no control over it. I don't collect your data. I wouldn't even know what to do with it if I did. All you're doing is signing up for a giveaway. How could you possibly enter a giveaway when you don't exist? I mean, how do we pay you out? How do we know it's you? How do we email you and say, congratulations, you've won? If you can't even enter the competition, how can we give you a prize? So you're not giving me any data. It's up. I don't care if you enter or not. You know, I'm giving away my money to one of my viewers, and we do it all the time. If you don't want it and you don't want to, it's free. It's free to enter, and you've already subscribed to me. All you're doing is collecting the ticket and using your YouTube to collect it. There's no data. If people think, that's the trouble. We live in a cynical world. Everybody thinks everything's a scam. Most things are. This isn't. This is real. And if you don't think it's real, then don't do it. Don't bother me. I don't care if you win $2,000 or not. I'm trying to give you free money, and my members love it. They think it's great. We do it all the time. Anyway, there you go. It's up to you. I ain't bothered. Thread you're watching. Let's not be lazy. Smash the like button. Nice one, Raiden. I thought you were a member. Mike Turner, get some binky bonk. Yeah, that's a great idea. Have no X, so I can't do all the tickets. Well, you can get an X account. It's free. Just set up an X account. It's completely free. You just go on X and set up an account. It takes about a minute. It's free. Just a way for you to win more tickets. Thought one of this to do would be valid. I am wrong. Thought one of this to do would be valid. I am wrong. What do you mean you are wrong? You can do anything you want. Why do some people find the competition so hard? I don't know. Look, we can't give you tickets if you don't sign in. You've got to. It's like you're on. It's like now on YouTube, right? You're leaving a comment. You wouldn't be able to leave a comment unless you were signed into YouTube, would you? So you're giving YouTube your details. Well, you don't mind doing that, do you? Well, because if you didn't, you wouldn't be in the chat and you wouldn't be able to watch. So what? That's all we're asking you to do. We're asking you to just sign in the way you want to so you can enter the giveaway. If you don't sign in, then you can't collect a ticket, can you? I don't know how to make it any easier. Have a wonderful break, Martin. You deserve it. As for me, I will be back in 5 weeks. I like that. Good morning, Yuri. Much deserved, Martyn. You've been working tirelessly without a skip. Thank you, Seth. I'm new to crypto, but love learning. Thanks for all you do. Blessings to you and your wife. Hope all is well. Love your channel. #1 with me. God's truth. Thank you so much. Tuna. Always take a break with things getting spicy. Mobex update. Always take a break. I've only been here for 4 years, every single day, 12 hours a day. Yeah, I'm always taking breaks. Great season 4, Martyn. Thanks for the best show in the world and elsewhere. Binky Bonk is defensive. Yeah, of course it is. Have a great vacation, banana heads. Info, there you go. Willie, thanks for showing us and giving Martyn your time. You'll learn a lot. You can sign up to become a member. Oh, look at that. I love it, David. Martyn, are you still all in on Coca-Cola? Yes, 100% in Coca-Cola. Yes, I am. How good is Robinhood? Yeah, I like it. I think it's great. Do you want some free shares? There's Robinhood UK free shares, and there's Robinhood US free shares. Hi, Pablo Martyn. How much Coke are you holding now? $600,000. 504.5 in the main account and another 50, 60,000 in the Roth IRA. Yep, just under 600 grand. Is that enough? Is that enough for you? All right, there you go. Robinhood is good. Just kidding, Martyn. I know you hate the Binky Bonk coins. Yeah, pointless. Robinhood versus trading 212. I think there's no contest. I think Robinhood is fantastic. I love it. But, what do I know? You're missing the point, Martyn, of my comment. Sorry, Will, I don't know. Please explain it again. Please do. It gets sometimes confused, doesn't it? Can't wait for the giveaway. I can't wait for the giveaway goes away. It's rubbish. The giveaways are rubbish. Well, you're not a member and you're not even entering, so it doesn't even apply to you. How can anyone say giving money away? They're not going to go away. Why would they go away? Why would I stop giving people money? People like having money. You might not like getting money. I mean, tuna sub, you might not like winning $2,000. I would love to win $2,000. I tell you what, let me find out in the chat, all right, amongst the sensible people. In the chat, say yes if you like winning money. So if you like winning money, say yes. Spam the channel. Yes, 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 yes. If you like tuna sub, you can't wait for me to stop giving my money away, and you think it's rubbish winning free money, say no. Say yes, I love winning money, or no. Let's see if most people enjoy winning free money. Am I living in a parallel universe where everybody hates winning free money? I'm a bit confused. Let's see what the real investors, the real sensible people say. Let me have a look. Let's see how many people in the chat say, no, I don't like winning free money. Oh, look, everyone's saying yes. Well, there's a surprise.
Donated €20.99 through a super chat.
Oh, God.
Review request for Heineken. Higher neon Robinhood. Hey, you're on Amsterdam stock market. Dutch beer company. Kind regards from the Netherlands.
Right, that jumps to the top of the list. Here we go. HEIA. Heineken. Great. I've been to the factory several times. Heineken, $20. Top of the list. Right, there it is. Yeah, look, it's funny, isn't it? Tuna sub. It does seem that most people like winning free money. You don't? Well, then fine. Bit weird, that really. Why are you watching an investment channel learning how to make money when literally every single person in the chat says, yes, I like winning money? See, most people are sensible. Most people, their mind works the way it's supposed to, but not everybody's. Tuna says, I can't wait for it to go away. It's rubbish. It's that you have to do all these things just to boost your engagement. No, I don't. No, I don't, Will. Do you know what? Let me explain to you, Will. I don't understand these people. Like, what's going on? Will, it's that you have to do all these things to boost your engagement and algorithm. Do you know what, Will? You don't understand how this works at all. Everybody on YouTube talks about the algorithm. I don't. When do I ever talk about the algorithm? What I talk about is people, live, humans, real audience. You are all here. This is real. This is live. My channel does not grow because I give away my money. In fact, if I kept my money, I would have more money and you would have none. All right. But you'll never get any. You'll never get anyway because you think it's rubbish. Like tuna sub. It's rubbish. I don't want free money. It doesn't promote my engagement. I'm doing it as a way to measure those that want to win so we can pick someone. I earn absolutely zero on Instagram, zero on Facebook, zero on Blue Sky, zero on X, zero. So why do I want you to repost stuff? Because if you repost stuff, I reward the people that do it. That's it. It's not for me. See, we live in a world where everyone thinks it's got to be in it. There's got to be something in it for him. He's got to get something out of this. No, I get nothing out of it. My music show, Lee W, just subscribed to the music show to win some free tickets. I earn zero on my music channel because all my music is copyrighted. And tonight's show that I'm doing, my penultimate concert, guess what? It's a free concert. There's not even any ads on it. I turn the ads off. The only way I make any money tonight is if people give me a super chat. You'll probably watch for free. You won't give me a super chat. You also won't be a member because you can't, because there are no memberships. There are no ads. How could you possibly moan about me giving you my free money? What's wrong with you? Why are people so funny and weird, right? It doesn't get me anything. I really appreciate those that follow me on X and I reward them for doing so. That's it. That's why we spin the wheel and give everybody free merchandise. And then we have a second prize and a third prize. It's nice to grow on X. It's nice to grow on Facebook and Instagram and all these things, but I don't earn a single penny. I could just sit on the beach and do nothing and it'd be more rewarding. I do it because I like helping people and giving money away. That's it. It's got nothing to do with the algorithm. It's very easy to do all the things on the... Yeah, it's very easy. Justin Duke does every single one. It's not hard. Very easy. Anyone with $3 needs some Coca-Cola. That's a lot of caffeine. Good morning, my friend. I'm loving the show. Keeping you and your wife in my prayers. That's very kind of you, Bishop. Yes, hood is good. That's a lot of caffeine with Coca-Cola. Well, my English is not the best. Maybe to explain what I mentioned about X answers. Anyways, I did the rest to be... Yeah, you go. Congratulations. You don't have to do X. You don't have to do anything. It's a free competition. The more you do, the more you get, more chance you have of winning. It's up to you. How is it rubbish? He's giving away his own money. Do you have to be a member to enter? No, it's free to enter. You don't have to be a member. I mean, maybe I should make it. Maybe I should say, you got to be a member. Bloody hell. I mean, seriously, how hard is it? God, how exhausting is it to give away my own money? Sod it. Leah, do you want $2,000? I'll just give it to you instead. Do you have to be a member to enter? No. Right. I asked everyone, do you want to, is it good to win free money? Well, the audience all around the world said yes. But of course, a couple of people said, no, that's rubbish. I don't want free money. It's showing his appreciation, thanking his audience. How is it rubbish? Yeah, I don't know, mate. I don't know how people think. Rennie Zanon, I've written down your Heineken review. Okay, I'm getting through all these comments and then I'm going to end the show and start them. Yes, yes. Everyone says yes. Everybody normal. Everybody with a brain. Oh, Ika says no. I don't want it. I don't like money. I'm going to watch an investment channel, but I don't want money. You're watching the wrong channel. You need to go and watch the Idiot channel, all right? Yes. There's probably a channel called the Idiot channel. Watch this channel and basically become a bigger idiot. That's Thomas said, yeah, I like it. Seth said yes. C says human. Yes, used to make a living winning money. There you go. Yes, I'll take the free money. Mahir says, I'll take the money. Howard Gleave. S. Oh, my God. Yeah, everybody says yeah. Everybody normal. Yes, heck yes. Yes, I mean, I can't see a reason why I don't want free money. Just about every sensible human being in the world wants to win free money, don't they? Love winning money. Yeah, I love this. I love how the members and the real people come back and go, yeah, we're gonna crush the we're gonna whack a troll. We're gonna whack a troll. Anyway, yes, please. Do you have to be a member to enter? No, it's free. You don't have to enter. You don't have to be a member. How many more bloody times? It's been talking about giving away a car. I can't wait for that. Yeah, exactly. They won't want that either. I don't want a free car. I'm talking to people about giving holidays away. I don't want a free holiday. I don't want anything. What sort of person are you? I'm in Asia, and if you saw how much Fanta they buy, you would buy some Coca-Cola. Yeah, there you go. Yes. Hi, Dion from South Africa. I love your show. I learn a lot. Dion, it's great to have you here, mate. Yes, Gian says, I'm just telling the truth. In what way? What's going on? Winning is for those who try. Yeah, it is. Most people are lazy. 100,000 people. Most of them think it's a scam or a joke or not real because they live in a world of doom and gloom. That's their fault, isn't it? I can't help it. If you're gonna live in a world where you think everything's a lie, then you think it's a lie. I can't help you. There's nothing I can do to help you, is there? Jonathan says, yes, but don't call me sensible. Martin makes thousands on Coca-Cola. We make millions on Bitcoin. All right. Well, you won't make millions on Bitcoin, will you? Do you mean collectively? I mean, actually, that's a really good statement there. I love this. Dr. Manhattan, Martin makes thousands on Coca-Cola. That's correct. I'll make about $100,000. That first sentence is correct. The second sentence is, we make millions on Bitcoin. Yes, collectively, you will all make millions on Bitcoin. Collectively, you won't, but collectively, you'll all make millions on Bitcoin. You're right there. And I will make about 100 grand on Coca-Cola. You're dead right there. So you're trying to troll me, but weren't you? But you ended up with egg on your face. I like free money, just sick of hearing about it. Here to stock talk, not giveaway talk. Tune a sub. I talk about stocks all day, every day. I'm about to do 30 reviews. I'm literally going to do 30 reviews. Back-to-back reviews for 7 days. Review. That's it. No more live interactions. No more phone-ins. A whole 7 days, all day, every day, 30 reviews. Who the hell does that? Oh, I'm sick of talking about giveaways. Oh, I'm sick of it. Good morning, all. Do you have to be a member to win? No, you don't. How many times? There's no more competition nowadays. Everyone's participation. I know. Yeah, that's it. God, I can't stand these millennials who go to, these young kids who go to school and they all get a trophy just for writing their name down. People have become so bloody lazy. Yet we're about to ring the bell. Thank you, RC.
He donated $2 through a super chat. 5 minutes, bell emoji.
Don't waste time. You're wasting all their time, all your airtime on them. I think there should be more giveaways from now on. Let me call in. You've got to be a member. It's a member's perk. I can't keep saying it over and over again. I like your channel and many others don't pay attention to those who hate. I like your channel and many others don't pay attention to those. Yeah, I believe it's important to talk to everyone. Most people are nice. Most people are great. And we spend a lot of time talking to them people. We had a great phone-in yesterday. 4-hour phone-in. 4-hour debate on crypto yesterday. And now I'm answering every single comment in the chat. Every single one, including the idiots. Good morning. Let's make some money. Yeah. If there were more giveaways, it would make me happy. So many Coca-Cola to choose from. Yes, there is. Martin, you don't know why you're getting so many strange messages from weird people. My friend, you're in America. Almost half the population is weird. Yeah, mate. Hey, you go to England. Even more people are weird there, mate. Should I go light or zero? Yeah, Coke Zero. I prefer. That's what I like. Are you still in Oxy for swing? Yes, I am. It's a swing trade over a week. That was my question before. Thank you, dear. You are a very welcome human. All of those negative people will never see the positive side of life, but keep up the great work, brother Martin. Thank you. Christopher, Martin, fantastic show last night. Thanks. Wasn't it great? Oh my God, last night, the crypto phone-in last night. Oh, guys, you missed the best show ever. If you want a live crypto debate, you missed a blinder last night. Let me show you this. Look at this, folks. Look at this.
On the standard growth. Warren Buffett
Look at this.
earns more money than the CEO of just by...
Let me get Hussein on.
Thing, or do you have absolute conviction that's a thing?
Let me get Hussein in.
Simple.
This guy down here, Hussein with the long hair.
No, I'm older than that. I'm 48.
Oh, you're 48, mate? So yeah, that's what it is. It makes you look younger. All right. So what is your goal? What you invest? Why do you invest? What's the reason you invest? What's the point of it all?
So I invest so I can give people advice, hopefully help people like what you're doing, and hopefully I can retire and help other people.
Okay. All right. So what if you didn't have any of that risk whatsoever? You just earned money and you earn 10% a year for the next 20 years. You'd be rich enough without taking any risks. Really?
That's perfect. Like you said earlier, because 10% is more realistic, right? A lot of people want 30 to 40 to 50x.
Oh yeah.
To get 50.
There you go. That was last night's show. If you missed it, I'll give you the link for it. We had a great debate last night about crypto. Went on for hours. Right, we got the bell in 30 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. We're about to ring the bell. Are we up or down today? Let's go. You ready? Okay, let's look at crypto. We're about to end the show, folks. We're going to go reviews all day. I just wanted to explain to you what was going on here in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Let's go for all our positions and see what's up and down today. And then we'll end the show shortly and start our week countdown for the final show next Friday with all our reviews, back-to-back reviews. I'll tell you how you can get a review in a minute. Here we go. So, the overall portfolio is up 0.13. The overall market, the actual market itself, is up 0.15. I'm up 0.3. I'm beating the market again. I'm beating the market again. All right, so there we go at 0.34. The market is only up there 0.15. Virgin Galactic is up, gone through $4. Palantir now selling off. Gold is going through the flipping roof. We're going to get this crash. It's coming. Absolutely 100% certain. Amazon is up slightly today. Apple is down. Enphase Energy is down. My Coca-Cola is up. There we go. Lovely. J&J Defensive going up. Oil going up again. Tesla going up. McDonald's going down 0.25. Google going down 0.25. Microsoft up 0.2. Meta up 0.37. Nvidia is up 0.22. Walmart is down 0.29. Tilray, it's flat today. In fact, it's going down now. There's no value there at all. Robinhood is up 0.3. Rocket Lab going down, way too expensive. Plug Power, all the Russian manipulation is exploding, up 20%. I wouldn't touch it if it was the last stock on the planet. All right, Bitcoin up today. We're all-time highs. Here we go. 120,000, nearly 121, up 0.5%. What about XRP? It's up 0.12. It's hardly moving today. Ethereum is up 0.08. Occidental Petroleum. We just bought this, as you know, and we are up to date nearly 2%. Absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. I'm now making serious amounts of money. Here it goes. Here goes my portfolio. Is it the day that Coca-Cola takes off? It does look that way. There it goes. Coca-Cola is starting to run, and we're now in the money. Whoa, here we go. Defensive. The day is coming. Anytime now, the market will crash. I don't know when, I don't know the time, but it is coming. Look at defensives going up 1.5 grand. We're beating the market again. There you go. This is my portfolio. I'm up 0.61 and the S&P is up 0.2. I'm 3xing the market today. Virgin Galactic is exploding now. 3.71. It's going all the way to $100. Palantir still going down. Gold now starting to sell off. Amazon on the way up. We've got Apple now coming back up. Enphase is now spiking. This is one of my stocks. I reckon this is going to go to $100 as well. Everyone who's followed me, Kevin, you all got completely fleeced. He told you a lot of rubbish, but there you go. That's what he does. As long as he can sell something, that's what he does. Most YouTubers do. I'm not a YouTuber, I've told you before. Coca-Cola up 0.3% this morning. How much is that? $1,567. Bloody marvellous. It's about 5.5 grand for every percent now that we go up. And Coca-Cola is gaining momentum. Let's look at Oxley as well. Many people got fearful of this one. They sold it and went, it's not going anywhere. I thought it would be really great when Warren Buffett bought it. What did I say to you? It's not a day trade, this one. It'll take time. It is a scalp trade. You need the earnings to come through to explain what the benefits of the debt reduction. That's why I said to you, it is a swing trade, not a day trade. I'll be selling this sometime next week. So there you go. Looking pretty nice, right? Oxy is going up, but most of all, look, and it's running now, and it's running. Yes. A crash is coming. Look at Coca-Cola. Look at Coca-Cola, absolutely exploding, over $2,000 up now, beating the market. Let's turn it green. Mega green. We'll put a green glowing on the play button, on the silver play button is very green today. Look at that, $506,000. Let's go over to our crypto. What's our crypto doing? Nothing. It's not really moving. I think the jobs report is hidden. And when it comes out and reveals that actually things are getting a little bit wobbly in the jobs market, you're going to see crypto sell off. You're going to see the market crash. I'm 100%. I mean, I wouldn't have bought all this. I mean, 600 grand in Coca-Cola with $250,000 in margin. How much conviction do you want? Well, I'm giving it to you. This is my real money, my real shares. I'm not messing around. And there it is. We are glowing green today. This could be a massive day. Sensei said when your Coca-Cola starts to shift, and it is right now, when it does, you're going to earn 100 grand in days. And he's absolutely right. I said that myself, so he's just kind of copying me anyway. But yeah, I'm going to make 100 grand on this without doing anything at all. And then I'll trim from the top. And when I trim from the top, then I can pay off all my margin and I can buy back crypto. All right, so anyway, there you go. Watch it run now. $2,300. Look at that run. Let's go over to individual positions. Let's look at crypto. Let's see what's happening. Now, Bitcoin is sitting at that 120. It's not breaking it. It's not running like everybody said it would. Everyone, when it's going to go on forever. I do believe it will go to 150. I do believe it will go to 200, but not before a major crash. It can't. In my opinion, the numbers don't speak to that. All right, so I can't see it. So I can't see XRP going past 310. I can't see it doing it. I can see it going to $10, but not until we've had a crash. And hopefully, I'm not hoping the market goes down for all of you, but what I'm hoping is, let me go back to here again. My Coca-Cola will keep going up. Make me about 100 grand. I will then sell from the top. I will pay my margin off and I'll buy back crypto on a crash. That is what I expect to happen. I am extremely confident of that. If I wasn't, I wouldn't have bought 600 grand worth of Coca-Cola, would I? All right, let's have a look at the individual stocks. I'm going to wrap this show up in a couple of seconds and start our reviews. All right, so in a moment, I'm going to say goodbye for the final time. Until I say hello, welcome season 5. All right? So it's going to be a whole week of reviews. So there's my portfolio, up 2,300. I'm up nearly 1% now. The S&P is up 1/4. So I 4x'd the the market. So I'm beating it again by 4x. So don't tell me I'm not making any money on Coca-Cola. We're now up nearly 1%, over $2,000. S&P is trying to come back. Virgin Galactic is exploding. This is going to $100, folks. Look at this now. Be careful though. Remember I said yesterday, every time it pops up, it sells off. But each time it gains a base and it will build and it will go to $100. So eventually it won't sell off. Okay, it will run and you'll be left out in the cold. Palantir going down. Gold on its way up. Amazon up 0.37. Apple now coming back up again. Enphase going to $100. Coca-Cola absolutely exploding this morning. Now you might go, hang on a minute. You say it's not exploding if a crypto moves 1 or 2%. Well, that's different. A crypto to explode has got to move 20, 30% because it's a high risk asset. Coca-Cola to go up a 0.5% or 1% is exploding. All right. It's also telling you what's about to occur as well with the overall market. Let me see if I can trim some Coca-Cola now. I wanted to sell my position above. No, not yet. I'm just looking. We're back in the money again. I'm only up $50. We're just starting to make money again. We were now at $88. It will make about $6,000 every percent. Now 126. It's moving quickly, but I'm going to start using tax lots and selling from the top. Once we get above get to 67, I can clear it all the way and keep everything down here. All right, let's look at XRP and Bitcoin. XRP is down slightly. Bitcoin is stuck at that 120. Can't see it exploding like Michael Saylor says it's going to. We're now up $2,300. Our swing trade is now kicking in. There it is. How many people got fearful of this? Oh, unbelievable. When this went down after Buffett bought it, everybody got really upset. Oh, it's going down. I'm selling. How silly was that? How silly was that? It's a swing trade, not a day trade. Everybody read it wrong, and now it's going straight back up again. But there you go. We're now up to $2,100.72. Coca-Cola, there we go. Okay, we got a bit of a selling off now on Oxy. People taking profit, selling too early again. That's silly. Coca-Cola is also taking some profit. That's okay. Let me come back to the comments and questions. Right, we've got to end the show now. Pfizer is up as well. Yes, I've sold my Pfizer though, because now it's gone a bit crazy. Let me just calm down the play button a bit. There was a real explosion there for a moment. Let's calm it down. There we go. Dr. Manhattan, clown. Yeah, I'm a clown. Yeah, I know. I'm a clown. I keep making money, keep beating the market. You're absolutely right, Dr. Manhattan. I am a clown. Day trader of the week up 30.3. Oh, lovely. It's crashed before November. I don't know what day it's going to happen. I just know it's going to happen. Oh my gosh. Now we're running. Oh, now we're running. $2,500 up now. Crash 100% certain. 100% certain. Markets are now 209% over GDP. And the data for jobs is hidden and it's not good. So when it comes out, people are going to realize now we're up $2,600. You telling me that defensives aren't winning the war? My God, just beginning. You're going to see $100,000 in one day. Raiden, a new member.
Raiden has become a member.
Is crashed before November. I don't know when it's going to happen. I can't predict it. I'm just not sitting around with my money in crypto and in assets that will drop when it goes down. I'm not going to sit around and wait, but I'm not going to sell either. I'm going to go into defensive. And that's what I've done. It's very, very, very simple to make money. The hard part is to keep it. The problem is everybody thinks the markets are going to go up forever, and everyone thinks you just keep making money forever. Well, it's wrong. We are now in the season of defensives. The proof of that is right in front of you. I mean, it's right there for all to see, the whole world to see. It's happening live on the show. 100%. 100%. I mean, what do you want me to do? I mean, 100%. I'm in phase in space. Congratulations. Happy space from Friday. KRA, up, Oxy. Thanks for the Oxy tip. You're welcome. Look is good. A bad jobs report is good for getting rate cuts, though, isn't it? No, it's not. No, it's not necessarily. It depends what the rate, what the size of the jobs numbers is. It depends. And if inflation starts to rise, which I think it will, then the Fed will just hold rates where they are. And if the Fed hold the rates where they are, crypto's going down 50% because the S&P will go down 10% because we're overbought. Up $3,000 now. Up, here we go. Right now we're talking. Now we're glowing green. There you go. We are hyper green now. $3,000 in a day. Here goes Coca-Cola. Don't tell me that we are not on the edge of a crash. The numbers are right there in front of you. You can choose to ignore them, but it doesn't make them disappear. Insane manipulation. Bitcoin from 106 broke support lower. Now almost after 5 days later. Margin amplifies your gains. Correct. Of course it does. Absolutely. That's why I'm in margin. Absolutely. I want to make as much money from defensive because I want to buy back crypto and I want to buy back the S&P. So I've got to make $100,000. That's what I want to make. I want to make $100,000 on Coca-Cola and then buy back risk on assets. The total 3 crypto market is a key resistance. Once it breaks, it will retest and push once that one last time before the crash, said Nicholas. I don't know about that. Makes no sense to go from 106 broke support to 125 days later. I disagree, says Himfo. You can disagree with all you want. You can disagree with me all you want, but now I'm up $3,500. So you can disagree. I don't care. It don't matter. Disagree all you want. All right, there you go. $3,500 now. Nearly $4,000 now. $100,000 coming. $100,000 day is coming. You'll see $100,000 trade. 100%. 100%. I mean, who is this confident? Can you name a YouTuber, anyone's on YouTube today, who would put all their money into one stock, go all in on margin, and say to you 100%, I'm going to make $100,000? Nobody. Yeah, nobody. That's what I'm saying. I'm 100% certain of that. Songs for Space, October. Coke can go to $80. Yes, Coke will go to $80. Did you see someone come in this morning? Oh, hang on.
Vocal Fossa donated €2.49 through a super chat. Jan here, thanks for the great discussion yesterday.
Mate, do you know what? I'm going to open it up again as you're here. I'm going to open it up again. Here we go. Live video phone in. We'll do it again because we've got a massive day. You can see me. I could make $100,000 today live on the show. So this is our last live show now before I take my break. So after this, it's live, but it's going to be reviews. There's no more. Now we're at $4,000. Now we're up $4,000. Oh my gosh, $100,000 incoming. Live video phone in. Live video phone in. There you go. Replace that. Anyone can call in. Anyone can call in. You can be part of it. What do you think? Am I going to go to $100,000 today? What do you think? There's $4,000 now. There's $4,000 now. Look at that. Parabolic. A parabolic portfolio today on Coca-Cola. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. All right. The phone line is open. You can call in, be on the show. We had a great show yesterday. People calling in. The play button is glowing green today. Mega for a mega pump happening live on the show right now. This is the last live phone in, the last Q&A I'm doing until season 5 starts in November, the middle of November. I'm on my final week. In a few moments' time, I'm going to end this live stream and come back with live shows all the way through the week, final week, and they're all going to be reviews. So let me explain what's going to happen. In a few moments' time, there'll be no more phone-ins. There'll be no more live Q&A. There'll be me going live doing your reviews. Back to back. I've got about 20 to do. Anybody who wants a review A full review, a full video review. It's $20. That's it, minimum. There's nothing less. I'm going through the whole list, and you can get a review done. What you do is you have to be a member. You have to do a $20 super chat and put in the chat your ticker symbol, and I will book it in. Here's one. Here's one.
Jose Lara donated $19.99 through a super chat. Thank you for all that you do. Review on TR2Z roll.
Okay. TR2Z roll. Never heard of that. 2Z roll. $20. That's second on the list. 2Z roll. Got that spelt right? 2C roll. I've never heard of that. Have you? 2C roll. Okay, thank you much indeed. That's on the list. Okay, good stuff. Thank you. These will all be done. So I've got the whole week now to do them. This is the very, very last live Q&A, last phone-in. No more phone-ins until I get back in middle of November. Sensei and Vaz will be taking over the show. We might have Casey as well, our first female broadcaster, doing the Ladies of Crypto. All right, that's what Casey will be doing. Ladies of Crypto. That's coming up. Oh, Tootsie Roll. Is it Tootsie Roll or Toosie Roll? Let me just check that. I'll make sure I got the right one. You give me the wrong name, we're going to have all sorts of problems. Oh, yeah, Tootsie Roll. Tootsie, I got it. Yeah, it is Tootsie. Thank God I did that. Tootsie Roll. There you go. We got it. All right. So let's go to crypto right now. Let's have a look. So XRP is coming down. Bitcoin doesn't want to break that 120. XRP, it's going down. It's not really going anywhere. We're now running again. Coca-Cola has gone literally parabolic. That literally is a parabolic chart. So don't tell me you can't make money owning a business that makes money. It has to be crypto. No, it doesn't. There is Coca-Cola. Let me come back to the main portfolio. People are selling again way too early. We got Himfo calling in. All right, I've opened it up to everybody. You're not on camera. You've got to be on camera. You're not on camera. So I don't see you because you're not on camera. You've got to be on camera. So I can't answer the call to you if you're not going to put your face to your name. I'm sorry, I can't do that. So you've got to be on camera. Otherwise, we just don't know who you are. So unfortunately, I'm going, I think you're there, but in the dark. You might be there, but I can't see you at all. I need you to put some light on. There he comes. Now I can see you. All right, let me bring you on. We got our first guest calling in. Himfo. Can you hear me?
How are you, sir?
Hello, mate. Let me just zoom out a little bit.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless your wife.
Thank you.
Thank you for the early heads up on the Coca-Cola, my friend.
Hang on a minute. You're a bit quiet. Let me turn you up. Sorry, I missed that. Could you say that again?
Which part?
Just start again.
Hello, my friend.
Hiya, mate. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for the early heads up on the Coca-Cola.
You're very welcome. Did you buy any Coca-Cola, Did you?
Oh, I'm good.
Yeah?
I know what's up.
Yeah. Do you think we're gonna get a crash? Do you think the market's overheated?
Yes, but the timing of this, after you watch the Bitcoins and all that today, that's questionable when. Oh, yeah. But when it hits this time, it will hit.
Yeah, I think so. Not just because of the valuation. You can't pay anything. Everybody's got into a habit of paying anything for anything, and it just doesn't matter anymore. I think people are overbuying everything at the moment, and I think we're in for a major correction. So I'm not selling everything. I don't want to be out of the market sat with cash, but I certainly want to be in the market. So I'm just buy defensive. And because Coca-Cola is so oversold and it's a great business, I want to own that, and that's where I put my money. But I'm very happy. So how can I help?
I put a chunk in there.
Yeah.
I heard you. I put a chunk in there. Now let's talk about what I heard you say the night. I'm in Thailand, my friend.
In Thailand?
Oh,
lovely.
I'm living the dream. I'm
awesome.
still a young man. I might not look it.
You're in Thailand. Okay, I love it.
But I'm trying to stack it up like everybody else because I know what's coming.
Okay, congratulations. Good to know.
We all know what's coming.
Yeah, I think so.
It's not going to be pretty.
Yeah. Well, what's your overall
portfolio? Don't try to stack it up.
What's your overall portfolio? Where have you put your money?
Coca-Cola.
Is it all in one stock, or are you diversified?
No, I'm not doing all in one. I'm doing a bunch in one.
Okay.
And that's a bunch in one. All you have to do, like you said many times, look at the numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, just look at the numbers. That's a no-brainer.
All right.
No-brainer.
Well, thank you very much for calling in. I
love you.
Thank you. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate you. Thanks for being here. And love to Thailand. I'm sure you're having a wonderful time. Thank you very much. Cheers then, mate. There we go. Absolutely great. If you want to call in and be on the show, you can also be on the show and ask me a question. It's the live video phone is pinned to the top. You can call in. We've got the play button glowing green because we are parabolic this morning on the market, which is wonderful to see in defensive. Now, we are wrapping this up in a few seconds. We are about to end the show, and I'm going to start my week countdown for reviews. So let me explain again so everyone knows what is happening. This is the last live phone-in that I am doing until I get back in season 5. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here. I'm refurbishing the studio. I'm rebuilding the studio. I'm setting up a whole new series of shows. I'm bringing on new broadcasters. We got Vaz Sensei and now working with Casey, our first female broadcaster. Whole new show, lots of new things, all coming in season 5. So I'm taking a break. Vaz and Sensei will take over the shows and do a lot more. So the very last show that I will be here is Friday, 1 week from today. This is the week countdown. So what I'm going to do all week, I'm going to go live, but I'm not going to do live Q&A. I'm not going to have phone-ins. I'm not going to be answering questions. I'm going to be doing all your reviews. Back-to-back reviews. Oh, Stephen is joining. Stephen wants to call in. Guest number 1. Let me bring him in. Just hold a second, Stephen. So I'm doing all the reviews for you. I won't be doing Q&A, and you can book a review. If you are a member, it's a $20 super chat, and I will do all your reviews, get them all done before I go, and there's no more shows on Friday. Now, tonight will be our penultimate music show. I will give you the link for that in a moment. But we've got another guest. This is Stephen.
Tell me exactly what the potion's made of.
Hello, how you doing today, sir?
I'm well. I can hear something in the background. If you could just mute the TV or whatever it is.
Oh yeah, let me mute that real quick.
Yeah, thank you very much. Awesome stuff. There we go. I'll just come back to him when he's done that.
Why do there have to be
All right.
buildings in my way?
No, I've got the TV coming through. Oh, you've muted yourself now. Okay. I think I've got you back again now. Right, let me bring you back in again. There we go. Yes. How can I help you?
Hey, I got a question for you. When it comes to like GLD,
Gold, yeah.
I
GLD.
do both. Yeah, I do both. I have like 10% GLD in my IRA, but I also do PAX-G with crypto. Is there any? I guess is there any one better than the other?
What do you mean with crypto?
How is crypto owning real gold? I don't know what you mean. I've never seen that one.
Okay, so I think it's called Paxos G, and it's pretty much just like GLD and everything like that. It's backed by gold that's held, and like if you want to, you can exchange your coins for actual real gold. It goes off of the pretty much like the spot price of gold.
Okay. I don't know much about it, but I'm very skeptical of when someone says you can swap your gold for coins for gold, and I don't see why you'd even want to complicate it, because GLD is the global standard of real gold. Why even be on an exchange risking it on a coin? You get your coins, you get your wallet hijacked or whatever. And if you really just want to follow the price of gold, you can't do better than GLD, because it's going to be backed by the FDIC insurance of your account. Because remember, if you buy GLD on Robinhood and Robinhood go bankrupt, your gold, that's never going to happen, but imagine if they did or whatever, your stock certificates are held with custodians in fiduciaries all over the world in different places. So you never lose your stocks. And they're also protect on Robinhood up to 2.5 million is protected. So you never lose your money. Whereas if you're in crypto, you're vulnerable, right? No crypto is guaranteed. If the brokerage goes away, if the wallet gets hacked, why even risk? If you just want gold, just buy GLD. I don't see why you'd risk it.
Okay.
And the cost is lower. You can move it. There's no fees and transferring it. The whole thing is much more efficient too.
Okay. And then as far as like I say, I stack 10% of that in my IRA. But when we talk like just a regular investment account, would you even look into stuff like gold?
Now, Sensei likes gold. He believes in gold as a hedge. It always seems to go up, but it doesn't always go up, of course. It pulls back at times, but it does do well. I don't own gold because I understand the businesses that I own. I spend a lot of time reading the balance sheet, learning about the business. I like to own something that produces something. Gold, like crypto, doesn't earn or produce anything. It just goes up because it's the standard and people use it as a hedge in uncertain times. When things are all good, of course, things can sell off again. But because it doesn't produce anything, I have no interest in owning it. It doesn't mean to say it's not a bad idea. You know, I do see the whole world now stacking up in gold because of what Trump's going to do with Bitcoin. I'm really seeing that. But, you know, I mean, look at this now. I'm literally going parabolic, over $4,000 now. It's just Coca-Cola is going through the roof because it's a real business. It really produces something. It makes real money. I understand how it works. It's oversold. Everyone's dumping it because it's not sexy and rock and roll. We're all going to get 10Xs in crypto. So I love it. I love it. Did you notice this morning, someone came in the chat and said to me that it's the worst cash flow in a century or something. Like it's negative cash flow. Someone said that in the chat this morning, and which is completely false, completely ridiculous, rubbish. However, I love when people say that because I know what I own. Whereas if you own crypto and suddenly everyone goes, crypto's going to crash, everyone goes, oh, I'm a bit worried. I'm a bit scared. A lot of people do that, right? I want everyone to say Coca-Cola is rubbish because I know it's not. And it's not a dream or a faith or a belief. I read the balance sheet, so I know what they do.
Right.
So there's a difference. So GLD is just the spot price of gold. It's the most efficient way of buying gold, far more efficient than buying the physical gold because you can sell it anytime. Because I know a lot of people around me in Texas are preppers. They're waiting for Armageddon. And they've got a hole in the garden and they've got some gold down there. They've got their guns and they've got their bombs and they've got their cans of beans and their water supply. And I go, okay, why do you do that? Well, the end of the world's coming and there's a recession coming. I say, okay, great. All right. Let's assume you're right. And maybe you are right. Maybe Armageddon's coming and it's going to be a bloody nightmare. All right. Now, what happens to me? What happens to you?
No one cares about me because I haven't got any gold. No point coming around my house and trying to steal my gold because I haven't got any. So where do they go?
Right.
They go to the preppers and steal their gold because they got all the gold and all the guns. They go and steal all them. So, but here's the main reason why I don't buy gold. If you buy gold, most people buy it because they say in bad times I can sell it and I can get myself out of a hole. Because I've traveled the world, I understand what real value is and what real skills are in an Armageddon type scenario. People that own gold have nothing. And let me tell you why. Right now, the internet is working. Everything's working. Everyone's got money. The system is working. So you can sell your gold because you can email somebody across the world, say, I'll sell you some gold, and you can physically sell it. Now, obviously, it's very difficult to sell it when it's physical, but you can do it very easily with GLD, with your stock. Hello there. We got is that your daughter? Hello there. How are you?
My son.
Oh, your son. Sorry, your son. I beg your pardon. So if you have GLD, right, you can go online. Today's you lost your camera. I've just lost you for a moment. You're still there? All right.
Yeah.
You can sell it. But what happens if the electric goes off, the internet goes down? How do you sell your gold? How do you even tell somebody other than the person next door that you've got some gold for sale and they go, mate, I don't really want it. What I really need is some food. Your gold doesn't do anything for me. So this is why I invest in businesses that make money. It works until it doesn't. When the system breaks, nothing's going to save you other than the skills that you have got to dig for water, kill an animal to eat it and survive. Owning gold, owning guns, having holes in the ground to jump into isn't going to save you. So I like to think of what's working, what's positive. When it breaks, I rely on my survival skills, not my pile of gold. It's going to do nothing for you if the world comes to an end. So right now, if you're investing in gold, the most efficient way of doing it would be GLD. I wouldn't even bother with the crypto version. I mean, what's the point if you can buy the direct gold itself?
Gotcha. Okay. Hey, thank you very much.
You're welcome, mate. Anything else you want to say before you go?
No, that's it.
All right. Where are you calling in from?
I just appreciate it. I'm calling from Kentucky.
Kentucky, I love it. Do you know what? Do they make really good, nice, fresh, proper Kentucky fried chicken in Kentucky? Because it's rubbish in Texas.
Hey, it's the same, but they're closing. They're actually moving the Kentucky Fried Chicken headquarters out of Kentucky. So,
oh no! Do you know what? When I first came to America, I wanted a KFC because I thought I love it. In England, I love it because in England we have different rules. Like you don't have all this other stuff added to it. In the KFC in England, guess what it is? Chicken, the oil. And that's it. And some salt and the spices. That's it. In America, they have all this other stuff they throw into it. I don't know why. And it's all oily and horrible. It makes me feel sick. I don't even like it. So when I first came to America, I wanted to get a KFC. And I've only been able to buy one in Texas. And it's horrible. It's oily and it's just horrible. And I thought, I bet it's better in Kentucky, but you're saying it's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Damn it. Damn it. Well, let me tell you, mate, if you ever get the chance to go to England, it's crazy. It's an American food. It tastes a lot better in England. It's just chicken.
Yeah. Hey, thank you very much.
Good luck with you, mate. Good luck to you. Thank you very much.
You too, sir.
There you go. That was awesome. That was Stephen calling in from Kentucky. I bloody love it. So if you want to be on the show, you can call in. Hey, there you go. He's got his gold. Did you notice he's got a gold tooth as well? He's literally got a bit of gold in his tooth there. You can still hear him. Look, he's still online. There you go. He's got a bit of gold. Literally, he's ready to go. Ready to go. I love it. Okay. So we're going to end. Oh, Popeyes. That's even worse. Popeyes is, oh no, that's even bloody worse. The best place I found for fried chicken, it's still not as good as it is in England, is Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel's a bit better. That's a bit better. Still a bit oily, but I do like it a bit better at Cracker Barrel. What happened to the Colonel's dream? What happened to the proper fried chicken? Just proper fried chicken, not chemicals and sludge. I don't know. We know why they did it. It makes it more efficient. They can freeze it. They can store it. They can send it around the world.
makes more profit, but it just doesn't taste the same, does it? It's rubbish. We got used to rubbish now. Anyway, my portfolio is going parabolic. We're happy, right? Anyway, let's have a look at Coca-Cola. Yeah, it's going through the roof. What can I say to it? Right, nobody else calling in. So let me end the call. This is it. For the last time now, for the next 6 weeks, the call is closed. That's it. It's done. Phone-in is over. You've missed your chance. Remove or unpin. There you go. Now then, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to end the live stream now. I want to thank everybody for supporting the show over the last 4 years. We're about to go into season 5. Vaz and Sensei and hopefully KC will take over the show while I'm away. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here, but I'm building a new studio. I'm refurbishing. I'm taking a break. I need a break. I've sat in this chair for 4 years. My last break was 2 years ago. Last October, I was I took a sort of break, but I was still streaming now and again and so on. I'm actually going to be off no streaming for 5 weeks as I refurbish the studio. So what I'm going to do in a few moments' time, while I watch my Coca-Cola go parabolic and the stock market crash, which is going to happen, there's no doubt about it, it's going to happen, and then I'll sell Coca-Cola, make $100,000, and I'll still own about at that point, I will still own $500,000, but I will sell the top and I will buy back my crypto and I'll buy back the S&P. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to end this live stream. I'm going to come back in a short while, maybe in about an hour, and I'm going to do one after another stock analysis. There'll be no chat. There'll be no live engagement. It'll be live, but I won't be chatting to you. I won't be paying any attention to the comments. I will just be delivering the analysis. Now, if you are a member and you'd like to book a review, you can. It's $20 for a review. They'll all get done by the time I end the last show on Friday. So that's it. Now then, if you want, the competition is still going to run. Sensei and Vaz will take care of everything. If you want to join me tonight for the penultimate live show, the music show, celebrating our ladies of crypto, that is tonight. All right, let me set it up for you now. So as I end this, I will send you to that, so you can all be ready for that. So create, go live. I'm setting up a show for tonight. It's the penultimate concert. It's the Coca-Cola live show celebrating the ladies of Coca-Cola. Reuse the settings. There it goes. Here it is. Bum, bum, bum. I'm just setting it up now. Okay. This is going to redirect to Vaz's show in the morning. This show where I am now, where you're watching now. And it's a free show, by the way. There's no ad revenue. I turn it all off so you can have the concert with no interruptions. My portfolio is now going parabolic. Redirect to Vaz's show in the morning. Oh, he hasn't made it public yet, so I'll do that later. October the 3rd, 4 p.m. tonight. There it is. Okay, there you go. Let's have a look at crypto. Yep, it's going down exactly like I anticipate. I said sorry yesterday. It didn't happen the day I said it. Is it happening the day after? Well, maybe it is. But anyway, there you go. It is going to happen. There is going to be a crash. I am all out of crypto. I am all in on Coca-Cola. And I'm very happy to do that. It's the right thing to do. I'll buy Coca-Cola. I will sell Coca-Cola when I've made $100,000, and I will buy back crypto at the right time, and it's not now. Okay? I want to be out of it and the S&P preparing for this crash. When the jobs report is revealed to everybody, everyone's going to go, oh my God, why did I not take profit? Anyway, let me do this. Let me bring up the show. as I end the show now. I'm going to give you the link for tonight. And then I'll be back for all of the reviews, one after another. This is the penultimate concert. Here it is. I'll put in the chat right now. Here it is. This is where we're going to go at 4 p.m. tonight. You disagree with the crypto crash. Well, that's fine. You can disagree. That's what we do. You're absolutely fine. Disagree with me. I've got no problem with that at all. Live next. Let me pin that to the top. Pin that there. There it is. Coca-Cola Ladies Night. If you don't agree with me, why don't you agree with me? What's the reason? Don't just say you don't agree with me. What's the reason? I'll give you a reason why I think it's going to crash. You tell me why you think it's not. That's what I'd like you to do. Right, let me refresh the screen. I've got to end this and send you to that, and then I'm going to start the reviews. Edit, customization, redirect to there. And there it is. Okay. I think we're done. I think we're all set. You've got the link. It's going to go there automatically. This is the event. All right, so I'm now going to say goodbye. I'll see you back in November. This is what's going to happen right now. Can end the live stream. Vaz Sensei and KC will take over the shows while I'm away. What I'm going to do now is end this live stream. Come back now all through the week. The last live stream is on Friday, and I'm going to be doing review after review after review. If you are a member, you can become a member on this link here. You can become a member, and for $20, you can book in a review. I'm going to go through them all. They'll all be live. There'll be live chat. I just won't be engaging with the chat because I'll be delivering the review one after another. Tonight, as this show ends now, it'll take you automatically to tonight's penultimate concert on the music channel. Join me for that. That'll be live. And that's it. Sensei, Vaz will be back on Saturday morning. And then Sensei will be live on Sunday with the first Electrum event. If you've not upgraded for that yet, a live interactive game show, you can upgrade for that. It'd be absolutely fantastic. Please do take part in that. But that's it from me. I want to say thanks to all of you for helping grow the channel. We got to 100,000 subscribers. The balloons are coming down. The studio is going to be rebuilt, and I am done. We are finished season 4. Sensei will be live. Vaz will be live. Casey will be live for the last week of season 4. They will carry on, and when I come back, it will be season 5. All right, that's it. Thank you all very much for your support. We did what we said we would do. We've built the portfolio. The target was 100 grand. We got to $500,000. Our next target is $1 million. We are way ahead of schedule. Super chat.
Josh Monroe donated $2 through a super chat. Take care of Martyn. Have a great vacation.
Thank you very much indeed. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here, but I'm rebuilding the studio and setting up a season 5 show for you all. And I'll be paying close attention to Vaz Sensei and hopefully KC as well. So there you go. That's what it's all about. Thank you all. We did it. We got $100,000. That was the target. We did it, and we 5x'd it. We got to 500,000. So we've done really, really well. We got to 100,000 subscribers ahead of schedule. It was supposed to happen before I went away and ended the season 4. Well, we did it a few months ahead. We beat Mr. Beast to 100,000 in the time it took him to do it. So we achieved that. We're now going to 1 million subscribers and then on to 1 billion. And the portfolio is going on to $1 million. The target was
was 11 years. It then came down to the end of the decade. We are now a year or two inside that. So we are dramatically increasing and beating all our targets. So thank you very much indeed for all your support. I will see you back tonight at 4 p.m. on the music channel for the penultimate music show. Thank you so much.
Denise Bruckner, CD Photos and Fine Art donated $2 through a super chat. We will miss you.
Thank you. I will miss you all. I will miss you all. This is the last on this channel. The music show tonight will have live interaction, but this is my last live interaction from all of you here until mid-November, because I'm just going to be doing reviews. Thank you for the super chats, sending us, sending me on my way. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed. That's it from me. We were right. The Coca-Cola is going parabolic. The stock market is going to pull back, if not crash. I did it at the right time. I thought it would be yesterday. I was a day out. Doesn't really matter. It's going to happen anyway. That's it from me. Sincerely, thank you very much indeed for all your love, all your support. Keep taking part in the giveaway. Join Vaz tomorrow for the show. Join Sensei on Sunday for the game show. All the way through while I'm rebuilding the studio. Enjoy Vaz, Sensei, and hopefully KC. And that's it from me. Season 4 officially from me is now coming to an end. I will see you back on Season 5. And I will be back live today, but no chat. I will just be focusing on the reviews. And while you watch, if you like what you see and you want to book a review of your own, you certainly can. A $20 super chat and I will do your review for you. And that's it. I'm done. I'm out of here. I will see you back on Season 5. Thank you very much indeed. People will hunt Martyn for his 1,000,000 cans of Coke. I like that. Miss you, Martyn. Seth, I will miss you too, mate. Absolutely. Talking to you, having you on the screen, chatting with me while you're doing your grass cutting. I will miss it too. Blessings to you and your wife. Thank you, George Babawi. Good luck and thanks, Martyn. Songs for Space. Full port Coca-Cola now. Full port Coca-Cola now. I'm not sure I know what you mean. We got Sensei and Vaz though. Yes, you have. Plus you might have Casey as well. See you, mate. Deluxe, thank you. Have a Coke and a smile. Bye, Season 4. Farewell, Season 4. That is it. No, said Space. Martyn, you need to keep your eyes on the Three Musketeers. Oh, I will. Don't you worry about that. And the music show. See you lot tonight in the see the lot of you in the Electrum party and the music show tonight. That's it. I'm done. I'm glad I found you. Are keeping me away from all the political. We don't want to swear. Not necessarily. Not necessary. But thank you. Have a great day. Investing, everyone. Cheers. That's it. PLTR is crashing. Well, that was guaranteed, wasn't it? 1,000 times earnings. 1,000 times earnings. I can go down 50%. It was all inevitable. Send us out with the XRP song. Send us out with the XRP song. Are you a member? Yes, you remember. XRP. Always believe in your flow. You've got the strength and we know you're unstoppable. XRP. That's it from me. Farewell, folks. Bye-bye. Always been more than the prize. See you back in November for the live Season 5. Shines, you'll rise in time.